What the? Today is worse. Flooding. Yesterday was really warm because of tornadoes. So today is a lot of rain. Out at my grandma cookies. Out in the country. Oh gosh. See, look at that. Now look at the water on the house.
I got it on my phone flyer and it said just thunderstorm. They're not washing out, are they?
It made them deter motion water to the outskirts of the yard.
Hopefully all of it from up there is running down here. I can't see it now. The butters are let me finish.
Hey guys, well, we're getting a lot of flooding, so we've got a good last right now. Over and out, got my leaf. Getting flooded, what in the world is that? Oh, I'm moving it, I know what it is, it's moving. Whatever. Well, anyways, guys, no good. It really is. Guys, it's not fog. It's all rain. I'm recording for YouTube. I know, right? It looks like a miniature river full of like water.
Send us on there.
You ready? Oh my gosh, guys, this is insane. Look at that cat. He does not like the weather right now. But I'm glad I'm not in the board. I hope it's good. Because this is getting flash flood warning. Rain. Lots of rain. Oh god, that's it. It's sewed up.
There will be no more drought in Oklahoma.
That is all rain, guys. No fog. Just rain.
Why did we have the water in the Bible? Why was there? Why did I build the Noah's Ark?
I seen water running down the hill.
God's gonna flood the earth.
Why? What do people do to cause it?
They were protecting the earth, right? Oh gosh! Spider-Man cat!
This is quite something about that tree over there. That's coming very big.
Spider-Man cat, Spider-Man, spider cat, spider cat. Do you remember that cat, man? Oh gosh, guys, this is really scary. I think the earth is going to be flooded again, especially Oklahoma.
Street bed over there.
Okay guys, well that's really it for this episode. Bye. Anyways, no one's getting flooded. Oh crap!